Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. Here we talk about 3 stocks from the Tata Group which are bellwethers in their sector and are global leaders in their own right. Please watch this video to know more. Now the first stock on the list is Tata Consultancy Services Limited, which is available at 1847.75 and the face value for this stock is 1. The symbol for it is TCS. Now Tata Consultancy Services Limited, as we all know, is engaged in providing information technology services, digital and also business solutions. Now the 1-year chart would show that this company has been on a beautiful uptrend and has created a lot of wealth for its shareholders. The company has a market cap of 7,07,424.98 crores, which is the highest market cap of any Indian company. If you were to look at the valuations, the company is available at a price to earnings ratio of 28.03 and the book value is 198.16, translating into a price to book ratio of 9.32. Now this is slightly more expensive than its peers, but if you were to look at the pedigree for this stock, this company is of the highest pedigree as far as the Indian IT services industry is concerned. On the debt to equity parameter, this stands very well at 0.0029, which is a very good number, and the return on equity is a wonderful number at 0.3015. The dividend yield is also decent at 2.71, whereas the promoter holding for this company is also a strong factor at 71.92. TCS hereafter could create digital platform based services for some of the verticals they are serving in. They are extremely strong in BFSI and also in healthcare and telecom. If they adopt the vertical based software as a service approach, they could start growing faster in that area and TCS could possibly lead to a higher amount of wealth creation. Now KR Choksey says that this may not be in the next 12 months but will definitely take place over a longer period of time. Now the second stock on the list is Tata Steel Limited, which is available at Rs 567.75 and the face value for this stock is 10. The symbol for it is TATASTEEL. Now Tata Steel Limited is a diversified steel producer and this company is engaged in the business of steel making, including raw material and finishing operations. Now the company had been on an uptrend till about the half of the year, but since then has been declining steadily. The company is a large cap and if you were to look at it, the company is available at a price to earnings ratio of 16.39, which is largely in line with its industry PE. The price to book ratio of 1.11 is decent. However, there are some red flags and which is basically in the form of the debt to equity being 1.4568. Also, the promoter holding being low at 32.41. The return on equity for this company is a strong factor at 0.2676 and the company has also a very good dividend yield of 5.81%. Now Tata Steel is on the cusp of a huge opportunity because the steel cycle is turning and this could make a lot of money for the holders of this particular stock. Now KR Choksey believes that Tata Steel, because of the infrastructure related growth in India, would possibly once again get the larger thrust where acquisition of Bhushan Steel could mean higher amount of profits for the company going forward. Now the final company on the list is Tata Motors Limited, which is available at 269.30 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is TATAMOTORS. Now Tata Motors Limited is an automobile company. The company is engaged in the manufacture of motor vehicles and also in the business of automobile products consisting of all types of commercial and passenger vehicles, including financing of the vehicles sold by the company. Now the 1-year chart does not make happy reading and seems like a stock which has been on a continuous downtrend. The company is a large cap one. However, the company is available at a price to earnings ratio of 9.95, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry PE of 34.44. The book value of 287.3759 also translates into a price to book ratio of 0.9371, which is also on the lower side. The debt to equity is high here at 1.1450, whereas the return on equity is also a bit disappointing at 0.1171. The company did not pay out any dividends, and the promoter holding is below average at 42.87. Now KR Choksey thinks that purely based on the valuations, this is now doing relatively better, and it could be a safe choice because the downside would be limited in Tata Motors. Now friends, please don't consider these stocks to be recommendations on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on this channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.